Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Okay guys, Akwaaba, may I say. So guys, let me show you around this place. I'm going to ask the host how much this place costs, so that whenever you're in Ghana, you definitely should check it out. Yes, this place is located in Osu, a very renowned area in Ghana. Accra, Ghana to be precise. So now let me show you around. Make sure you like this video. Make sure, please, okay? I'm super excited. Okay, let's start from the door. This is the door. See the key. If you're a solo traveler, this place is actually very nice for you. Because see how locked it is. Like, see how jammed? Let me give you a close-up shoot. See where? Like, it's locked. Apart from this other key, which is really nice. So we're going to go round. Let me take you round. My most favorite thing. It has a fan and AC, and I think if you want to exit, you open the door like this. Oh my god, lock 3. I was not expecting the door to open, but wow, nice. I'll still show you what outside looks like, but for now, let me show you the inside. The hallway is very pretty, but yes, let's go this way and to the start of the room. This painting, this is a canvas painting, guys. See the detailing, very pretty. And then over here we have this cute window blinds. I love the color of this window blind. It is actually beige color, and this is also something I was planning to buy for my apartment. It actually makes the place very classy. Just see. Yeah. So over here we have the bed. This bed, I think it's a queen size bed, and it's quite comfortable. Yeah, it is. Wow, it's actually very comfortable, very. And the duvet is so soft, and then extra towels and beddings cover. And again, see the quality of the furniture, very nice, very nice. Now I like this is so cute. And then the bedside table is similar to what I have at home. I like this wooden, I think this is HDF also, but this is cute. It has 2 bedside tables, yeah, and this is the full view of the bed area. Now before we go to the other section, which has the kitchen, let's check out these other parts. The right hand side of the door. So from the right hand side we have a full wardrobe. Let's open it to see what it looks like. Wow, guess what guys, we have a mirror here. I'm so fascinated by mirrors. Please. Okay, I could not show you guys my feet, my full feet, and now I'm so tired and exhausted from the long journey that I look a mess. I cannot wait to refresh, honestly. I cannot wait to refresh, but I love full length mirrors, and this is nice. You're welcome. So the wardrobe is quite spacious, and it even has mosquito net now. This is good. When something is good, I'll tell you it's good. This right here is good. Yeah. Then over here we have the TV, down to the drawers. Now this is nice. A lot of storage spaces. A lot. Now this is very nice. Then there are rooms. They have rules, and again their Wi-Fi password. Of course, you should book an Airbnb with Wi-Fi. And yes, so now going this way, let's check out this space. And this is the restroom. Wow, this is nice. This is sick, you know. This is sick. Oh my gosh. Let's start from here. This is the washing basin with storage space. This design is so cute. Like, I love the furniture in this place. Nice, nice. Oh gosh, another mirror again. And yeah, this is me. It has heater, your toilet seat, trash can, tissue, in fact everything you need. This is so cute, if you ask me. I think this should be a soap dish, and this maybe to hold some other stuffs you use in the restroom. Now this is the most interesting part. Gosh, this is beautiful. Now this right here is so cute. Oh my god, this is nice. Now the owner of this Airbnb actually has a taste for aesthetics. Like, check out the shower. Everything is just going. See how the shower is going with the blinds. Now this is nice. And the shower room is very, very, very wide. Like, so wide. Like, really, really wide. This is nice. So guys, I want to show you how wide this place is. You can take 3 people bathing or 4 people bathing at the same time. Just in case you want to do some group share. But yeah, it's actually really wide. 안녕하세요. Let's go to the kitchen area. So guys, from the restroom, this area is the kitchen area, which I'm going to be showing you right now. And yes, this is the bedside, which I already showed you. So now let's go and see it. Okay, now let's start from here. This is a microwave. This is actually very thoughtful. And cleaning supplies, kettle. I think this is a coffee maker machine. Gosh, I love coffee a lot, but I already have grinded or blended coffee. Now, this is your washing sink with your washing liquid soap, spoons. In fact, it has everything you need. Well equipped. Yeah. Now, down here we have more storage spaces, your freezer. Wow, I should put my water inside here so it can chill up real quick. More storage spaces with the trash can, and more storage spaces. And then over here you have your cleaning equipment. So now the next part, which I'm going to be showing you, is the sitting or dining area. And over here there is the blinds. Same thing with the other one I showed you. I just have to open it so that lighting can come in. Yeah. Take a look at this. Take a look at it. And this bottle water that says Akwaaba. This is so cute. This is so cute. So you guys, what do you think about the apartment? Tell me in the comment section. Number one, if you're asking about location, it's in a very prime location. If you're asking about Wi-Fi, it definitely has a strong Wi-Fi. If you're asking about hospitality, the host was actually nice, although locating it at first was quite a struggle because we had issues with network even after getting our SIM card. But yeah, this place has everything you need, quite alright. But I don't think it has a cooker, but that aside, I actually really like this place. So yeah, like I said, subscribe, like, share this video. Even if you're in Ghana, please make sure you visit this place. Stay here one day. AC is here, fan is here, in fact everything you need, TV. I think they should be Netflix, that's the smart TV here. And yeah. Look at the canvas painting I was telling you about. And it also has smart door lock. Now this place is actually very pretty. Very, very pretty. See the staircase paintings. Very cute. It goes all the way down. The staircase, very pretty. And then look at the chandelier. Gosh, whoever designed this place is a very talented person because see the color coordination. God, this chandelier is so cute. So cute, man. Wow. See, gorgeous paintings. Oh my gosh, I'm someone that loves art a lot, so just in case I'm spending so much time showing you this artwork, that's because of my obsession with art, nature, and beautiful, aesthetically pleasing environment. And yeah, so there are several more. So yeah, a smart door lock that even has a camera.